Pretty standard stuff here, just pulling out this whole transmission. There's only 565,000 pounds of dirt on the outside around it. But, other than that, we're going to be fine. We're going to pull this thing out. We got a damn pump going bad. Converter probably done went bad. We're going to put a heavy duty one in it though, aren't we? We're going to rebuild this one. Sometimes I get mad at Brian. That wasn't one of them times though. That's about it. We're done. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? We're up here at the Trundle transmission shop. Daddy buys these. Well, Daddy don't let me use this one. Okay? But look at what I figured out. Take this here. I just pull this off. And then let's do this. See? Now I'm just using the old cheap shit. Right, Brian? Let me get in here. Date. Daddy don't like me use it. Let me spray you, Brian. Then when you're done with it, you just take the wrapper back off. Nobody will know. You take your old can, stuff that you're allowed to use. Look at there. Gotta get that last little bit. Come on out of there. Hey, here it comes. Mother Lord. I got it. Transfer case. Hey, you may get some of my spray.
Might have to.
Got it. Look at there. All right, let's do this, Brian. Son of a bitch. Watch yourself. Come on, son. Dropping the transmission out of the truck. Get off that. Get off of that. Everything wants to hang on to it. Maybe asking, what the hell's all over this transmission? Dirt. Brian's in there acting like a fool. I'm gonna be in here working. First things first, I want to roll this thing over on its back. Pull this pan off right now. There you go. Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, things are getting tough all over. Hell, I got these people calling me named Pam. Pam's Risk. I don't know who she is, but she calls me a lot. Oh, hey, how you doing? I forgot. I gotta go. Talk to you later. Hey, how you doing? Well, let me tell you about what we're building this son of a bitch. Let me tell you something. You want to call your mama?
No number.
Yep. We don't need that phone then.
Yeah, I don't need my computer repaired either.
Transmission?
Yeah, I guess that's where it came from.
Working on a transmission right now. 6L90. Beautiful transmission. And yeah, that's what we're doing, man. We're just pulling that transmission out, you know. Drive a 1 ton. 3500 HD Chevy. Hope you're enjoying the show. Train to Clarksville. Brian! Oh, here he is. What the hell you doing? Huh? What am I doing? Chilling, man. You know? There's a lot going on. My mind, basically. You know? Let it all expand, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I'm getting a little weird now.
Girl that knows a guy with an invisible wiener. No, she said he's got the right size. Invisible wiener. I don't know. I was thinking, yeah, well, that'd be cool. That invisible wiener. Not like one that wasn't there, but just invisible.
Okay, I gotta get back to rebuilding this transmission. Alright. Well, we got that one done.